Crime victim advocates have complained for months about a staffing shortage at the Crime Victims Assistance Office.
And today, a representative from the DA's office offered an apology and a remedy.
And where we've missed a phone call, where we've missed an email, we will gladly take responsibility. We don't make excuses in our office.
Now, we've been following the staffing issue story at the DA's office for months now, since the Victims Assistance Department was left vacant.
That's right. And this morning, Assistant District Attorney Matt Manning told county commissioners they now have hired a new coordinator. Victim coordinators are supposed to alert crime victims about developments in their cases, something that crime victims say is not happening. Chris 6 News reporter Emily Hamilton joins us live from the Nueces County Courthouse tonight, where earlier today, victims of violent crimes shared their concerns.
Katia, for the first time today, the district attorney's office addressed that staffing shortage on camera. And while they did offer a solution, crime victims say it shouldn't have taken as long as it did. That department has been vacant for nearly 3 months.
This is such a black eye on Nueces County and on the DA's office.
Sharon Sedgwick understands firsthand the importance of having a liaison at the district attorney's office after her daughter Jennifer was murdered back in 2005. A tragic commonality she shares with Fallon Wood, whose daughter Brianna was murdered in late 2016. She says her pleas for help have fallen on deaf ears.
Left several messages, never got it. Nobody called me back. So I finally myself went down there, sat at the DA's office for 30 minutes waiting for somebody from the Crime Victims Department.
Often leaving complicated and overwhelming work at the hands of victims and their families.
I don't have time to wait for somebody to call me and let me know about a court date. I do it myself.
And where we've missed a phone call, where we've missed an email, we will gladly take responsibility. We don't make excuses in our office. But I don't want the public at large to think in any way that this is something that is dereliction of duty or apathy.
While Nueces County has now hired a new victims assistance coordinator, victims are asking what took so long to fill the vacancy.
What happened is one retired without any notice and just never returned. And obviously we had to go through the HR process to replace her.
However, Chris 6 News has a copy of Rosa Maria Cervantes' resignation letter announcing her retirement on December 31st, which was dated more than 2 weeks before her departure. Manning claims that letter was never handed over to the DA's office by Human Resources. County commissioners say that under urgent circumstances like this, the hiring process for a replacement can be fast-tracked.
The HR process is in place, but it is something that can be expedited. The county judge has the ability, if any department head comes forward, to say, we have an emergency situation, we can't live with the freeze.
So I was asked on January 8th, and on that very day for this position, I did lift it. So it was asked and it was answered.
Chesney says he wants to hear more.
And I'm sure there's a good reason, and I'm not trying to pick on anyone. I appreciate the DA's office being represented, but I really wish the DA himself would have been here, because I think the people need to hear from him to reassure them that this is being worked on.
And we did confirm that District Attorney Mark Gonzalez was in closing arguments of a capital murder trial when this commissioner's court meeting was underway.
All right, and Emily, what's the next step in moving forward?
Well, county commissioners asked that District Attorney Mark Gonzalez attend their next scheduled meeting to kind of tell the public how he plans to better manage operations within his office moving forward.